grew up and went to school. There were certain teachers who would hurt the children in any way they could, by pouring derision upon anything we did, and concerning every weakness, however carefully hidden by the kids. We don't need no thought control, no dark sarcasm in the classroom. Teacher, leave them kids alone.
Teacher, leave us kids alone.
All in all, it's just another break in the wall. All in all, you just another break in the wall. We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control, no dark sarcasm in the classroom. Teacher, leave us kids alone.
Hey, teacher!